it's Sandra, and today I'm going to do my giveaway. So I'm going to show you, I picked 2 plates that I'm going to give away, and all you have to do is put enter me in the comments, or enter, or however you want to put it, and then I will pick a name on Friday or Saturday. So Friday, your enter me has to be in before 5 p.m. on April 25th. So April 25th is a Friday. You have to have your entry in by no later than 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, April 25th. And then I will pick a winner either Friday night or Saturday morning, and then I will announce it on my channel. And at that point, the winner will just email me with their mailing address, and I will ship this off to them. So let's look at what I'm giving away. So it's obviously 2 Maniology plates this time. And this one is called Coral Reef Alliance M293, and it's got all this fish stuff and ocean stuff, and I thought that was really pretty. Let me get this in a little bit more so you can see it. So you can see we've got some coral and a fish and some be a reefer, some words on here, and another fish here, and like a whole ocean scene. So just a whole bunch of fish stuff. So since we're getting into summer soon, I figured I'd do the summer theme. So that's the first plate I'm giving away, M293. The second plate I'm going to give away is kind of new. It's not real new. And this is the fruit one. And this is Maniology M296. And I think this is adorable. And if you go online, you'll see the manicure they did with this, and I think it is absolutely positively beautiful. So great idea for this, but it gives you all the fruits. You have several large full nails designs, and then all these little pieces that you can put together, and it's got tropical punch in the center. So I thought that was cute too. So those are the 2 plates that I'm giving away. And just remember that you have to have this in no later than 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on April the 25th. And all you have to do is put enter me in the comments. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching.